Hey everyone. So today we're going to be going over how to replace the air filter in your Lennox ELITE system. This is what my system looks like. If you have something that looks like this video should apply for you. Also, my model number and everything is right there. So one of the first things you want to do is just make sure that your system is off. I have it turned off at the thermostat, and then you will just need a replacement filter. Um, if you look at your system, it should tell you what size you need. So in my case, I need a 20 by 24. And I have a 6-pack here that I bought on Amazon. Really excited to try these new filters. In the past, I've used 3M, but honestly, I found that these ones are a lot better priced, and they are made in the USA. So we're gonna see how these perform. Really excited to try these. And I'll have a link for these in the description below. I love how it comes in a 6-pack, so I mean, I am set for quite a while. All right, so the filter is right down here, and there are these two screws on either side. Should be able to unscrew those with just your hand there. And then this whole thing should come right off. There we go. All right, so that's off. Then you should be able to just grab the filter. And one thing to note before you pull it out all the way is just which way the airs are facing. So my airs are facing up. So whenever I install the new filter, I'll just want to ensure that I install the new filter in the same orientation. So we'll pull that out. See how much that thing is catching. That's awesome. All right, so I have the new filter pulled out. I have it. Airflow is going up. That's the way the other one was. Go ahead and just slide this new one in. All right. And you just have to basically repeat steps we took to open this up. That should do it. You just want to make sure that's nice and snug. One last thing that I like to do whenever I'm in here, I usually keep a whole jug of vinegar and then a cup. I'll just open up the condensate line. I will pour a glass of vinegar, and then I'll just pour that down there. And I like to try to do that every month. Obviously, I don't change my filter every month. I just rely on whenever the Nest thermostat tells me to change it based on my usage. But with the cheaper filters, if you do get the cheap ones, you probably should change those every month. But with the more expensive ones, you don't have to do that. I'll just pour that down there, and that'll help just keep the line nice and clear. And that should do it for this video. I hope that this helped you change your air filter. If you have any questions, definitely put them in the comments. If you're interested in those air filters that I showed you that I'm using, I will have a link for that in the description. If this helped, please like, subscribe. It definitely helps out. And thanks for watching.